another day, another stack of important mail for Mr. Zip to deliver. We have an urgent, time's almost out, special delivery. Let's go! Phew! The packaging in the box cushioned B. Franklin's fall. Remember, don't rush. Mr. Zip always delivers. This is the address for the urgent delivery. And not a minute wasted. Did you say something, B. Franklin? The noise came from that tree. Oh, look! A cat! It must be stuck up there. B. Franklin, you stay here and keep the cat calm. Mr. Zip will deliver this priority mailbox and get some help. Great job, Mr. Zip! Right on time. This delivery is a gift for Grandma's cat, Vinny, but she hasn't seen him all day. Aha! Mr. Zip knows where Vinny might be. This way! It's Vinny! And, oh, he's made a friend. But how will we get him down safely? Grandma bought a new bed for Vinny. Perhaps this will tempt him down. Great job, B. Franklin. You saved Vinny. How do you like your new bed, Vinny? Talk about a perfect delivery. Come on, B. Franklin. There's lots more mail for us to deliver. Where is B. Franklin?